This homemade orange granola is crunchy, healthy, and bursting with citrusy flavor. The perfect wholesome snack or breakfast. To a large bowl, add 2 cups of rolled oats, the base to our granola. Freshly grate the zest of 2 oranges for that bright, citrusy flavor that makes this recipe so unique. Add in 2/3 cups each of peanuts and cashew nuts for extra crunch and protein. Add in 2/3 cups of sunflower seeds for healthy fats and nutty depth, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder for warm spice, and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Mix until everything is well combined. To a small bowl, add a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and melt it over a water bath. Add in 1 tablespoon of raw honey to lightly sweeten and bind the granola. Then squeeze in a 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice for natural sweetness and that refreshing citrus lift. Mix until they are fully incorporated. This mixture will help the oats toast evenly while infusing them with flavor. Pour it over the oats mixture and mix until every piece is well coated. Evenly spread the granola on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Toast in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and flip the mixture to make sure they are toasting evenly on all sides. Toast for 15 more minutes until golden brown. This homemade orange granola is crunchy, delicious, and full of citrusy goodness. Let it cool completely to lock in the crunch, then store in an airtight container. It's perfect over yogurt, smoothies, or straight from the jar. If you love granola as much as I do, check out my playlist for more versions. There's something for everyone. See you there.